Hello everybody, exciting times. We're releasing a brand new course today. Hands up all those of you who are really good at mixing. Yep, my hands are down, I'm rubbish at mixing. So this is Introduction to Mixing. It's completely genre agnostic. It's not to do with rock and roll or pop or orchestra or anything else. It's about the fundamentals of mixing, the skills which all of us need, but only a few of us have. Take a look at this.
Most people have learned how to mix by themselves, which can lead to some bad habits. Whilst there is no right or wrong way of doing things, there are tried and tested methods which can lead to favourable outcomes. I've completely lost my train of thought. Can we start that again? I'm really sorry.
I am rubbish at mixing. I'm absolute rubbish at mixing. So I'm definitely not the expert in this field, but I know a man who is. The gain thing I'm really bad at.
It's the number one thing that changed my process. If you get your gain staging right, then everything else falls into place so much easier.
It's taken me decades not to get there. So I'm going to be following along with as much interest as the rest of you, because does this nightmare ring a bell? It rings a bell with me.
Something that we didn't mention earlier with the backing vocals, definitely get rid of the breaths.
In the backing vocals?
Yeah.
Okay.
Even if you're leaving some in the lead vocals, definitely get them out of the backing vocals, because one person going, kind of okay. 10 people doing it. There is a school of thought where they say put the vocals where you think they should be and then push it up another 5 dB because it's pop music. At some point, it's going to hurt. Find the pain and then reduce the gain.
I tend to use EQ in 2 different stages. At its simplest,
Yeah.
The first stage is to cut away the rubbish stuff, then we do a little bit more processing, and then we use EQ and more broad strokes to enhance things. Mixing doesn't need to be scary, as long as you understand some key concepts. Mixing's like a puzzle, and as mixers, it's our job to put those pieces together. It's not just graphs and spectrums. If it sounds good, it probably is. You just got to trust your ears. There's a lot of things you can do to polish things up to make them sound like a professional track. But they'll have, written a track, mixed it to the best of their ability, and then gone online and listened to, their favourite artists and gone, oh.
Doesn't sound like that.
Yeah. So that's the goal, is to get it to that sort of professional level. We've got so many things to teach, and they're all really simple, but they make a massive difference.
So there you go. I'm really looking forward to getting stuck into this because I need this. So I hope you're going to be joining me on this little journey. Remember, you get the Discord server, you get the -1 thing, you get all that kind of malarkey, which we do in all our new courses now. It's going to be really good fun. Got some great tracks to get stuck into a mix. And just think, this one course might actually make your music sound better. All the music you've ever written in the past, you can make it sound better by just one short course. Sounds fun. Look, I hope you're going to join me in this venture. Really looking forward to meeting you in the Discord server if you do. So let's crack on.